I'm going to go through the three biggest mistakes that I see on a pretty regular basis when it's time to come into Medicare, so stay tuned. And I'm Keith Armbrecht, founder of Medicare on Video. I help people across the country make the right Medicare choices. I'm licensed in all 50 states, so I'm happy to help. And I'm going to talk right now about the three biggest mistakes that I see with Medicare. And the big mistake number one is missing your enrollment window. It is extremely important that you get your timelines down on when you're supposed to come into Medicare. I certainly have videos detailing every enrollment period, and there are 6 or 7 different enrollment periods that make it complicated to figure out exactly when you're supposed to do this. But you need to do it within the time frame that Medicare puts out. Number one, obviously coming in at age 65, you have a 7-month window, but your Medicare is going to start on the first of the month that you turn 65. So you want to do it before the month that you turn 65, and the earlier you get things set up, the easier things will be going forward. Number two is on Medicare Part D. If you're going to get a Medicare drug plan, same scenario. If you're staying with original Medicare, which I certainly recommend, then you need to set up your Medicare Part B and your Medicare Part D, the drug plan, at the same time. Going to start on the first of the month that you turn 65. And assuming you're not born on the first of the month. If you're born on the first of the month, it's going to start the month before. So you need to understand that and certainly start earlier. So the earlier you start this, the better. You should be doing it at least 2 months ahead of time, if not 3 months ahead of time. Get it set up, put it to bed. That way we don't have to worry about it. And this is what we do. We help you put all your pieces in the right places. So visit MedicareOnVideo.com, give us a call. We will walk through everything with you, make sure you get the right plan with the right company at the right price, and just make things simple going forward coming into Medicare. We shouldn't make this complicated. Medicare is actually really good if we do it correctly. So mistake number two, choosing Medicare Advantage without understanding the trade-offs. And the reason this might happen is because that's all the TV commercials, all the mail you're going to get. The marketing is absolutely crazy for Medicare Advantage. So kind of tells you something. Why are they selling this stuff so hard? Because they make a tremendous amount of money if you choose Medicare Advantage. What Medicare Advantage does is it puts you into a private insurance company's insurance plan. It takes you off of original Medicare and puts you into a private insurance for-profit company into Medicare. And that's, for me, the last thing I would want is to have a for-profit company making decisions on what's going to be approved and what's not going to be approved with my health care, especially when I go into my 70s and my 80s and maybe my 90s. We'll see when we get there, but the last thing I want is to be having to ask for permission to get something done, or having to go to a certain doctor, or not be able to go to a hospital that I want to go to because they specialize in exactly what's going on at that time. Certainly, if you need something done with a scenario like cancer, you want all options available. You don't want to have to go to a place that may not be the best place to go. And original Medicare lets you do that. Medicare Advantage, you have to stay within their network of doctors and hospitals. So to me, a really big mistake, number one, just choosing Medicare Advantage, but certainly not understanding the trade-offs. You know, it might look pretty on the outside. A lot of them have zero premium, meaning it kind of looks like it's free, but once you start to use it, that's when the out-of-pocket expenses come along. Well, unlike original Medicare with a supplement, it has a cost at the beginning, but usually not more than $100 a month. And when you use it, the out-of-pocket is super low. Plus, you can go anywhere you want and you don't have to ask for permission. So it gives you all the control. So enough said about Medicare Advantage, choosing it. And mistake number three, not comparing a Medicare supplement plan. Same kind of thing. A lot of times people just go with the marketing. They listen to Joe Namath on TV or all these celebrities, and really not as many recently, which is kind of odd. So for some reason, the celebrities have gone away, but they are still pushing so hard. And I've always felt when somebody's pushing that hard, there must be a reason for it. But when you don't compare your Medicare supplement plans. A lot of people get in and they've heard Plan G. I want Plan G. Let's go with that. And another big one is dealing with AARP or United Healthcare because they market so heavily. A lot of the times, or even most of the time, it's not the best value. That's not what you really should want just because they're telling you over and over again it is what you want. We want the best value, and Medicare supplements are actually designed in a very thought out way. Whoever put them together a long time ago kind of did what they should have done. They made them standardized. So a Plan G is a Plan G. A Plan N is a Plan N. It doesn't make any difference whether you get it with AARP, United Healthcare, or some other company. It's exactly the same. So the cost for the plan makes all the difference in the world. If we can save $20 or $30 or $50 a month to get the exact same coverage, we absolutely want to do that. So just make sure that you take the time to compare. And again, this is the stuff we do. We're not biased. I'm an insurance broker, so I'm not tied to any insurance company. Whatever has the best value is what we're looking for. So Medicare, not just about picking a plan, not just about coming in. We need to get the timelines right. We need to get it done. We need to put it to bed. A lot of people stress over this stuff, and that's what we want to do. Take it off your plate. Get it done. It's really not hard if we do it right. So hope you'll let us help you. I'm happy to do it. Visit MedicareOnVideo.com. Give us a call. We'll walk right through it. And I can promise you, you will not have to think about it again down the road. So I hope you found this helpful. Have a fantastic day.